Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Unity and Visual Studio ready, and your textures imported with proper compression. Create a new C# script named Particle Controller and attach it to an empty game object. Then instantiate a particle system from the Game Object menu, disable Play on Awake, and link your texture sheet to the renderer module. Once done, open the script and add using Unity Engine. Define public variables for emission rate, lifetime, and a texture 2D reference so you can control particles from code. Now implement the core behavior in Update and a dedicated emit method. Instantiate emit params, set position, velocity, start size, and start color dynamically, then call particle system. Emit with a count based on your rate. Use delta time to scale emission and lerp values for smooth transitions. Make sure to expose parameters as serialize field so designers can tweak without recompiling. Add randomization for variation and use subemitters or collision callbacks to spawn secondary effects when particles hit objects. Finish by polishing visuals and optimizing performance. Bake smaller texture atlases, enable GPU particle simulation if available, and clamp maximum particle count to prevent frame drops. Once effects look right, add pooling for heavy emitters and cull off-screen systems. If you encounter flicker, check texture wrap and sprite pivot. If performance drops, disable expensive modules and test lower resolutions. One key troubleshooting tip. If particles don't appear, verify layer, camera culling mask, and that play on awake or manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.